Hey, hi, hello, and welcome to our third lecture. So, in this lecture, we are going to learn how we can add multiple other things, such as our website and a featured section in our LinkedIn profile to make it 10x. So, let's begin by adding our phone number as well as our website in our profile. So, in order to add our profile or our website in the LinkedIn profile, we have to do, we just have to click on this pen icon. We can skip this part, and after this I'll just click on edit contact info. In edit contact info, I can add my email ID, I can change my email ID. On top of that, I can add my phone number as well. Let's say my phone number is 8686868686. All right. So phone type, I can select my phone type. This is my work phone, my home phone, or my mobile phone. I'll select my mobile phone. Why adding phone number is important to your LinkedIn profile? Because if you add phone number, then it will be easier for recruiters or other opportunities to knock on your door. All right, but you should always make sure that you are not adding your personal mobile number. In case if you are getting up if you are putting your professional mobile number, you'll know that this person is contacting me from LinkedIn. All right, so we can add our address as well. So I haven't added my address because it won't create any significant difference. Only adding our city and our state will do that work for us, because whenever a recruiter is looking for some talent, that recruiter will only look for right now location of that candidate. That recruiter is not concerned about where that candidate is staying or something like that. All right, so I'll just add my city and my state. After that, we can add or skip birthday. I don't think it is important. After this, we can add our website. So I'll click on add website. So in website, I can add my company's website. So it is be10x.in. So you can add your company's website, or you can create a blog. You can create a brief blog about yourself, and you can add that as well. All right. So I'll just paste this link over here. Website type, I'll select company website, and you can create a blog about yourself or a landing page about yourself, and you can add that over here. You can add that link over here. So I'll just save this. So now when I refresh my page, I can see there is a pop-up of contact info, and on top of that, my website also will show up on my profile. All right. So after this, I want to add feature section. Like in my profile, what I have done, I have this feature section, and I'll tell you what to write in this feature section and what we can post in this feature section as well. All right. So what we have to do in order to add this feature section, I'll just click over here. I'll click on add profile section. I'll click on additional. Recommended code, featured. Where is featured? Add to profile, education, add position, add career break, add skills. In recommended, add featured. Okay, so I'll click on add featured. So I'll click on add a link. So which link should I add in my featured section? For that, we'll go on medium.com. So on medium.com, we'll create a cover account. Just search Medium on Google. So click on first link. After you are here on first link, click on write. All right. So for title, like if we are deciding to write some article, it should be relevant to our niche. All right. If I am an entrepreneur, if I want to attract investors, I'll write about my business. All right. If I am a person who is looking for better opportunities, I'll write about my work. All right. Let's say I'm a software developer who has experience of 3 years in TCS, and I want to write TCS. I want to write a Medium article. So let's go to our favorite tool, which is ChatGPT, and I'll go on chat.openai.com. I'll click on new chat. All right. So I'll type in here, I am a software developer working in TCS. I have experience of 3 years. Give me ideas for Medium article. Give me ideas for article to post on Medium, so that people working in my industry will be attracted to my profile. All right, so let's give this prompt and let's see the result. So let's give some time to ChatGPT. As a software developer with 3 years of experience, there are several topics you could write about on Medium which will attract others in your industry. Here are few ideas. Best practices for code review. Code reviews are essential part of software development, and this we can write. This we can write step by step. Tips for debugging complex code. This also we can write. Lessons learned from a challenging project. This article also we can write. Let's see what else it gives us. Benefits of continuous integration and deployment. Okay, I think article like first one is really good. Best practices for code review. I think this article will be really great. So I'll just give me a non-boring article which is very novel and insightful, having hint of humor in it, about point number 1 you mentioned above. Let's see what does it give us. Sure. Why code reviews are like dinner parties as a developer and how to host them like a pro. As a developer, we all know code reviews are an important part of development process, but let's be honest, they can be kind of drag. It is like hosting a dinner party. Every time you want to commit some code, you have to clean up your code, make sure everything is in order, and invite your team members to come and scrutinize your work. But if I told you that code reviews don't have to be boring, in fact they can be just enjoyable as well hosted dinner party. Here are some tips for hosting code reviews like a pro. All right, so it has given me some tips. Set the mood, be gracious host, make it fun, don't be afraid to spice things up by approaching code review like a dinner party. So it has like given me a really nice and novel idea just by a simple prompt. We asked ChatGPT to like be thought provocative, and we asked it to not be like a simple thing. So that's why like we got a really good result, and we can just copy paste this result, or we can change this using Quillbot. So it won't change any meaning of this article, but we will get like it paraphrased. All right, so I'll just copy this and I'll paste it on Medium. So I'll paste this on Medium. How? Okay, I'll just copy this and make it headline of the article, or I can just make it bold. All right, so I'll just click on publish. Story preview, include a high quality image. So we can include an image for this. So for image we can go to Canva. So let's go to Canva and create an image for this as well. So I'll go to Canva and I'll just ask ChatGPT to give me ideas for image to add in Medium. Give me ideas for image that I can add in Medium. Images I should have written, but alright, let's see what kind of idea does it revert. I'll just search on Canva Medium. So I think it will give us by default the size of Medium article, right? I think this is the size. So let's select this one. Let's click on customize template. Let's remove the background. Let's remove this as well. I'll go in elements. I'll search on technology background. Technology background. So we have like really nice backgrounds. So I'll just select this one. I feel this is really good, and I'll click on text. How to. So let's see what infographic. So ChatGPT has given us some suggestions, infographics, screenshot, memes or gifs, flowcharts or diagrams. So if we want particular example, like what kind of meme should I include, you can just ask to ChatGPT like give me examples of meme that I can include directly, and it will give us examples. All right. So I'll just generate a generic one. How to review code like a pro. Review code like pro. All right. I'll just select this. I'll reduce its size and I'll increase its font. I think lot of font increase is required. I'll just make it bold. Okay, so we have a really good looking image now. I'll click on share. I'll click on download. I'll download it in PNG format. Now I'll go on our website again, medium.com. Okay, so publish to topic, add or change topics up to 5 so readers know what your story is about. Here I can write coding. All right, also what we can write, coding is there, or we can ask ChatGPT directly, add or change topics, 5 topics. Okay, I'll just ask ChatGPT to give me 5 topics which are highly relevant to this. Give me topics to tag on Medium for this article. Let's see what kind of topics we get from ChatGPT. Software development, code reviews, best practices, programming, tech, software engineering. Wow, this is amazing. Let's use software development and code review. But you get the point, like we haven't done anything manually. Software development, code review. All right, so I'll just click on publish now. So it is publishing my story. I can just copy the link of story. There is also like option to listen our story. So AI of medium.com will just read it out for us. So this is like really good feature. I really like this feature of. So I can go on edit my story, and I can do a lot of things with it afterwards as well. If I feel like I have missed something, I can just add it to our medium story. All right. So I'll just click on copy link. I'll come over here in feature section. I'll paste this link. I'll click on add. Okay, and in thumbnail I'll just post the picture that we just generated right now. I'll click on this. Now our thumbnail will look really good. I'll click on save. How to review code like a pro. All right, so we have this posted on our LinkedIn profile. You can add 2-3 of similar sort, and look how beautiful this is looking. Like you can also add description as well, so that it will look like you can add 2-3 lines of description for this article, so it will look more better and it will look really great. So if you have 4-5 things in your like LinkedIn profile, it will look like this. So you can just scroll through it and you can have all the in one place. So you can like add it in your featured section, so anyone looking at your profile will understand you have subject knowledge expertise about that particular point. All right, so this is a really good life hack you can use using ChatGPT. This wasn't possible before some days, but this is possible now. All right, so see you in next lecture.